All right, students, so it is that time of the year where we have to prepare all of our taxes and business expenses so that we can give it to our tax preparer. And so that's what I want to show you in this video is how to create a business expense table in Excel so it can total all your expenses, and that way you can just print it out or send this in an email to your tax preparer and just make it a lot easier for you. And so I want to show you how to simply make one of these tables in Excel. So I'm going to create a new sheet here. And so all you really have to do is have 2 rows filled out to create a table. So here I'm going to put the description and then I'm going to put the price. Let's just make it simple. And so in the description, I'm going to put internet, and my internet is $100. And so all I need to do is I need to select this information, and then I need to go into insert and then click on table and then press OK. And so what you'll see here is that you can format your table however you would like. I usually go to this 3rd row and click on the 3rd one here because this is the one that I primarily like. So let me zoom this in so we can see it just a little bit better. Now let me show you what I like the most about inserting a table onto Excel is this little button right here at the bottom right corner. I can click on this button and I can drag my table all the way down. And so I can put as many rows as I'd like so that I can put rent, $900. I can put utilities, $200. And so I really appreciate being able to add more rows. Now I can also add more columns, as many as I would like. And so say I want to add a column to put notes. And so I can say, all right, this month I paid my rent. And so that's a really neat way of being able to add columns as well as rows. Now, I can also click on this column E where I have all of my prices, and I can click on this $sign, and that'll actually put all of them in the format of money. Now, also one thing I want to show you is click on your table, anywhere on your table actually, and then run up here to this table tab and look right here where it says total row. Click it. What it'll do is it'll add a total row for you. And so I can click on this one, because this is where my prices are. And I see how this arrow pops up right here. Click it. And then I want the sum of all of this together. Also, I can add a title here. All I have to do is run up to this area, select it, and run up here where it says merge and center. And in this one, I can write business expenses. And then I can format it however I'd like. And so I hope that this is helpful. Y'all have a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.